quickly let's fill this table. So what we are saying is, for each span, the sum of average of these two and this mid span moment will always be equal to WL square by 8. Okay, so let's start. AB pe, what is this value? 0. Okay, negative value 0. B pe 2 by 19. Okay, absolute value is 2 by 19. इसकी एवरेज कितनी बन जाएगी? 2 by 38. ओके, और मिड स्पैन मोमेंट कितना है? ये, यानी इस स्पैन के मिड में जो मोमेंट है वो 11 by 152 है. ठीक है. Now the sum of these two, if you just do the math, 2 by 38 plus 11 by 152, what's the answer? 1 by 8. WL square by 8 आ गया ना फिर. Okay, next span. This span, the two end bending moments at the two ends and the mid span bending moment. Let's see, 2 by 19 and 3 by 38. Okay, this is 2 by 19, this is 3 by 38. So what is the average? Sorry, 7 by 76. Okay, what next? What about the positive bending moment? 5 by 152. Okay, what's the sum? 1 by 8. Okay, again we have found that the average of absolute value of negative bending moments at the ends and mid-span positive bending moment, the sum is always equal to WL square by 8. Okay, next, CD span. So this is the CD span. The end moments are 3 by 38 and 3 by 38. Okay, 3 by 38 WL square and 3 by 38 WL square. So the average is of course 3 by 38. What about the mid-span moment? 7 by 152. What's the sum of these two? 3 by 38 plus 7 by 152. What's the sum? 1 by 8. चेक भी कर रहे हो या ऐसे ही बता रहे हो? Now next is DE. What about DE? This span 3 by 38 and 2 by 19. Okay, 3 by 38, 2 by 19. We are just entering the absolute values. Okay, what is the average? Again, same average as these. 7 by 76. 5 by 152 is the mid span, and this should always give you 1 by 8. Okay, the last span, EF. Okay, 2 by 19, 0. So the average is 2 by 38, and this should be 11 by 152, and then the average, the sum is again 1 by 8. So again, we have established that in any multi-span beam, the sum of two bending moments is always equal. One, positive bending moment at mid-span, and the average of absolute values of bending moments at the ends. Okay, okay. So we're doing absolute summation. I think this should be clear enough. Now your job is to do the same checks for this kind of a beam with exterior ends fully fixed. Okay, and I repeat, we are saying mid-span positive bending moment, which is not necessarily equal to the maximum bending moment in that maximum positive bending moment in that span. Okay, that's a different thing. nearly same most of the times, but this just a different thing, conceptually different है ये, ठीक हो गया, clear? So this is something important for me to I'll be checking your registers next time, okay? मैं बाकी बाद में देखूंगा, but I just want to see कि आपने इसको अच्छी तरह से स्पेंड किया हुआ है जी.